na po.
Please exit from the train.
Welcome to Hong Kong. Welcome to Hong Kong. Welcome to Hong Kong. Hong Kong Disneyland Resort. And dito kami sa Disney Hollywood Hotel. We are here at Discovery Bay, North Plaza here in Hong Kong. Papunta kami dun sa parang Lovelock Bridge. Naiiwan ko yung padlock na pinagawa ko. Not a lot of vloggers are talking about Discovery Bay, but this is just close to Disney Hollywood Hotel where we're checking in. This is a nice place to relax. Look at that. Hello! Hello! You've reached Discovery Bay North Plaza.
Ito naman yung tinatawag nilang Lovelock Promenade.
We are inside Discovery Bay Grocery. Wow, there's plenty of vegetables to choose from. So now we're still here at Discovery Bay and wow, so we're heading to the Whitechapel.
Ito naman yung Whitechapel na hindi siya open to public but it's only for private weddings and it sits on the water.
Here comes my nieces, my brothers, my son. Where's my sister? My sister. And there he is. And this is the bay. Sarap ng pagkain dito sa Smoky Joe's restaurant sa Discovery Bay North Plaza in Hong Kong. And we discovered na Filipino pala ang may-ari. Sarap ng food nila. Salmon. Meron din silang yung specialty nila na yung famous Joe's Burger. Pero dahil sobrang mabubusog ka na nun, nag-rice muna kasi kami. So, hopefully next time. This is Disney Explorers Lodge Hotel here in Disneyland, Hong Kong. Oh my gosh, it's humongous. Like, look at that. So, let's do the maze here at Disneyland Hotel. I go here. Yung tipong gusto kong iligaw talaga sarili ko.
Ay, may bato na sa Crocs.
Para karoon ng thrill. Parang feeling ko kahit saan ka lumusot, parang makakalabas ka. Parang feeling ko lahat may exit.
Done!
Done already. This is like the classic style of Disneyland Hotel.
They're going back.
Ta-da! 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 Oh my gosh, the tree.
And finally, the moment that we've all been waiting for, ayan, naka-uniform na kami and we're very excited to start the day going to Disneyland.
Finally, we're here at Disneyland! Hello! Hi, Nicole! Hi, Neng! Raya!
O, diba may pa-blocking pa ang ateng nyo ng pagpipicture? Siyempre, first time na nangyari ito. First time na tatlo kong kapatid mag-out of the country and first time nakasama ko sila dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Kaya, picture na. And as soon as nakapasok kami sa theme park, ayan, nagtatatakbo na ang ateng nyo kasi natatakot ako na mahaba ang pila at maunahan kami. Kaya, ang galaw-galaw ng camera. Kaya, pasensya naman na po.
Also, guys, look at the sun. Okay. You've got all the people in the sky. Be careful your hands, elbows, and don't try to fall into the water. If you jump into air, just good luck. Maybe you can get a yummy snack time. And now, I just want to introduce. Bye. See you next time and have a nice evening. Just arrive in Hebrew. Just be careful. See you soon, bitch. See you. Or reach up like that. Or up in the tree. They are the scientists I want to introduce to all of you. Anyone wanna go home? Anyone wanna see my friend? Through a tear,
And through the trials we face, the race is that we're running.
We are finally saying goodbye to our rooms at Disney Hollywood Hotel na naging tahanan namin for 3 days and 2 nights. And look at those beautiful views. Yan yung view namin every time we look at the window pag nasa room kami. And we are so blessed and lucky na we were granted ng interconnecting rooms because we are a family of 8 and 4 sa kabila, 4 din dun sa kabilang room, and we have the same exact layout ng rooms. We have the Mickey and Friends na board wall sa aming bed.
So we're going to Bake House where the famous egg tart is. Teka. Yan. Nalampas ako dyan. Ito yung Bake House with the famous egg tarts here in Hong Kong, just at the ground floor of Citygate Outlet. Bye bye Hong Kong.
Bye, Hong Kong.